a top-tier US investment firm came to us with a problem. They were excited about GenAI, planned to deploy GPT-powered tools for portfolio analysis, client reporting, internal automation. OpenAI was the front-runner, but when the draft contract arrived, the vendor had baked in aggressive upfront commitments, $2.1 million across 24 months, no usage flexibility, no opt-out, no performance benchmarks. The firm wasn't ready to scale that fast, and definitely not at that price. That's when Redress Compliance came in. We did a deep usage alignment review, analyzed their roadmap, projected API volumes, and how adoption would actually unfold across their desks and teams. Then we challenged the structure. We helped legal and procurement build a phased model. Usage-based thresholds, milestone triggers, and renegotiation windows. We eliminated clauses that forced expansion before value was proven, and we got OpenAI to agree to tiered pricing that scaled with real demand, not forecasts on paper. The outcome? $2.1 million in projected commitments brought down to a lean, flexible commercial model. No waste, no locked-in volume, no regrets. If you're negotiating with OpenAI and you're seeing 6 or 7 figures in commitments before you've even launched, hit pause. Talk to Redress Compliance. We'll help you right-size your agreement, protect your roadmap, and ensure your GenAI investment is controlled, not dictated. RedressCompliance.com. Let's get your contract working for you, not the vendor.